let's say mute group, this is highlighted. You can see this big white box on top, right? You see it moving. Now, if you want to move that, whatever this box is on, that's what this is going to control. That's what this big encoder is going to control. And I like using this a lot more. You can also use the plus and minus to change the numbers, right? So if I hit the plus or the minus, it'll bring it down. So it's a little more precise.